history, neutral light, and legacy of clean, and all these details. But like also, I mean, these are the fundamentals which we use it every single day. So those are like essentials to say. But apart from it, corporation has given us like incentive tying up with multiple partner stores. If you look at like millions of products just through partner stores, right? So one of the partner stores is Wireless Market Plus. So there's something unique about this is how many of you have cell phones? Everybody, right? So these days everybody has cell phones. That is what the key ingredient for every single person, right from like 16. There's a lot of debates going on, but right from 16 to old people, everybody has a cell phone, need a cell phone. And that is what is available through us, Wireless Market Plus. So we're tied up with Sprint, T-Mobile, and Verizon, and Nextel. So these companies, so there's what's unique about this company, the Wireless Market Plus, is since they are exclusive partner. What we have is like every cell phone, if somebody gets it from our side, just from our referral, you have 100 PV, 100 BV coming into your account. Not only that, somebody that is for individual line. Like I'm hoping that you guys know like how the lines work here, individual line, family plan. If somebody gets a family plan, it's 150 points as such, 150 PV, 150 BV with this. And if somebody renews their account, first time when they get through this Wireless Market Plus, and once a 2-year contract is done, once they renew their account, you have 20 PV coming in again. Right, so you have an option there, like just by like helping them somebody get a cell phone, you have an option of like getting this recurrent PV coming in. Right? Now, what is so unique about this website? Like so, as a customer, I mean, if you think as a customer, why should somebody buy from this website just because you referred them? Okay, great, you referred it. But when you compare outside prices here, if you go to recently I got a HTC Evo 4G from our own website. So what happened is like if I go right now to the Sprint store and ask for the same phone, I have to pay $99.99 to get the same plan, same mobile. But instead we are getting it here for free. And we have like huge discounts. Like every 2 weeks we have some offer going on. Like recently there was a free activation for Sprint. Then there was free activation for T-Mobile. And for a new person, like it's a treat. I mean, like you won't get these kind of offers like going to stores or going anywhere else. And the company offers us like 30 days money back guarantee, satisfaction guarantee. You have like a customer support for you, providing the like required support and tracking of the phones. Like once you order, everything is taken care. The back-end logistics are taken care. From my experience, like actually this is very simple, like to refer people or like to have it detailed from our website. It's very simple, as in like one person in our team actually. So what happened is like he was just going by, he was in the Target, and somebody was looking for like AT&T or some deal. They were just looking, and then like we just started talking about like phone. We were just looking at phone. I said, okay, this is available free of cost. Like, why are you paying 99? Oh, really? Where is that? I really want to go check out. So okay, print a business card with like same Wireless Market Plus. Once you log in with your IBO number and zip code, you get a referral link, and through that link you can go to GoDaddy and then have a link combined to your own name, like sunkuwireless.com. Right? So have it GoDaddy, have that link, print it in your business card, give it to them. They can go there, and then you get the PV just by logging into that site. Your IBO number, everything is embedded in that link, and your zip code. So just go to that, give that link to them, Sunku Wireless, and like he would have no idea like what, where, but like once he logs in, he'll have entire infrastructure there. Customer support is there, all these companies are there, it is accredited, everything is taken care. So you can go there, just get the phone from there, and just by giving your card, you have 100 points done. Right? So that's what I get. The other one is like recently what we have done is a lot of students, like I've done my master's year, so I know the pain of getting the cell phone and everything. So students were like from my cousin, one of my cousin was coming from India. So what I've done is, hey, like what are you doing for cell phone? Yeah, no idea. I mean, new students like really have any idea of how plans work here and all that. And so pretty much, hey, don't worry, I'll take care of your phone when you come here. Do you have any other 3 or 4 friends whom you know who are coming here? And like back from India, they obviously get together in the flight and then like come here as together as friends. So I said, okay, as a family plan, if 5 people take it, So right now Sprint has a very good offer. Like just five people, it's you have like $48. Everything is taken care, unlimited free and all that. So I just told him, explain, hey, this website gives you all these good phones for free. Like why don't you check it out? And they're like, okay, they they jumped on it right from back in India itself. And then came here, okay, when am I getting my phone? When am I getting my phone? So just by one person, I had like 7 people requesting for the phone. So I had 700 PV done. Right, so this month, like actually, so a lot of just through referrals. Actually, I didn't have to keep on finding anybody. I just had my cousin, asked my cousin, hey, do you know anybody else who's coming? And so that news spread like wildfire. Like, hey, somebody has a phone which is like $40 and getting unlimited text, unlimited things. Like if you compare really the plans and everything, we have some of the best phones with the good plans. So like pretty much they're like, we got about, in our group, we got about 24 cell phones done pretty much, just through referrals. Just wherever you meet like a student, they needed a cell phone, hey, like check this link, or like I can help you out. Pretty much, okay, I have 4 friends, can I have my friends also get this phone? They're like, yeah, go ahead. So it's just like the information they need to know. We don't have to promote, we don't have to tell them anything. Once they log into the website, they know the deals, how good they are. Right? So just have to answer the questions, and pretty much it's pretty simple. Not only that, we have 3G plans, 4G plans for tablets, for like smartphones, normal phones. All this stuff are already available. So anybody who checks the website, they have all the information available for us. Right? I mean, if you think about the logistics of how much shipping costs, everything like cost for all this, instead of a Sprint store, ours will be the best. I mean, any given day. Right? So one of the simplest and like one of the best-selling phones, everything is available through the wireless marketplace. So, and another option is like, so everybody has 2-year contracts, 1-year, 2-year contracts. So what we have done is like in the school, we know so many friends, or like our community, I mean like our friends as a whole, everybody has a contract which expires in 2 years. So what we used to do whenever we meet, we just make a note of people, okay, this guy, hey, when is your contract ending? Like, okay, this September, or let's say May 2012. Okay, write it down in a calendar. Or September 2011, or write it down in a calendar. So when that month comes, you can just say, hey, how are you doing? Like, and then what are you doing with your phone? And you can see like, I'm not sure, I'm just exploring options and all that. So people always look for the latest phones. We always have his Android phone, the latest phone, whichever is best in the market. Hey, why don't you check out this link? Okay, we're not done. So we just remember when they need a cell phone, provide an option. Just like provide them help of getting the cell phone at that time, pretty much done. Like, okay, May to 2012, you know for sure that your 100 PV is done. Or like, so when you, like we always have friends who have cell phones whose plans expire and all that, right? Just keep a track of it every month, keep a track of it. And like, if you have like good enough community, like every month you have somebody's plan getting expired, or they need new phone, or they're changing the plan or whatever, every month that way you can make sure that your 100 points is done. Simple. Right? So just by referring. So you can actually be creative in whatever way you do. Right? So like printing a card, or like providing the information to people, or like posting Facebook. Some people, they work with Google groups, like people keep wasting time on chatting and all that in Google groups and all that. So one guy just posted a link there saying, hey, some of the good phones are available here. If anybody needs any help with the phones, check out this link. You got four cell phone orders from there. So it's pretty simple, like how you can be creative, how it can be like, you don't have to be going out and like do something, okay, really, what should I do, just like be creative, utilize the resources we already have, utilize the material we already have, and for sure, like with all these partner stores, it's pretty simple to do on investors, pretty simple to refer in network. Right? So,